Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. Just mapping in this kitty. Lovely orange kitty with the belly up, having a nice nap. So I'm just kind of focusing on the main shapes and the angles, keeping that fluidity throughout the drawing, keeping my lines moving fluidly. Making a few corrections as I go. Those needed to be a bit longer. And I'm changing the shape of the tail a little bit too, because I want it to lead the viewer's eye back up to the cat's face. Yeah, I didn't quite like that. Good idea to turn the paper around, get a better angle. And I haven't got the exact same tilt of the head, but you know what? That's okay. I just kind of let my drawing be what it is. If you spend too much time fussing over it and trying to make it look exactly like the photograph, which is not the intention anyways, the intention is an interpretation. And if you fuss over it too much, that's when you lose that beautiful impressionistic look. So just let it be what it is. Let it flow out of you like art should. Really focusing now on darkening up the lines I want to keep and allowing the extra lines to just kind of fade into the background and add energy and movement, tone. Really thinking about each line. I do have it going 3 times the speed here and doing a voiceover. And I really think about each line and mark I make, whether it's really that important or not, or whether it will just be extra distracting details to distract the viewer's eye away from what the drawing is all about. And for me, it's about character and soul. And that second eye I did ended up a little bit different shape, but I'm just going to leave it because it's those kind of things that really add character to a drawing. And I truly believe that the best drawings look drawn. They show that raw, authentic human aspect. They show personality. It's like your signature. Everyone's is different. And generally an artist that's comfortable in their own style, if you're used to that artist, you can recognize that it's their work without looking for a name. Fussed over that paw a bit, but I like how it is now. And I'm going to speed it up to 6 times the speed here pretty quick and finish this drawing up. Just want to darken up some of the outside lines. Here we go, faster. And I just give a hint of the toe lines. I love to hear from you, especially what you want to learn about drawing cats, and I will do my best to get it on here. I get a lot of my ideas from viewers' comments. And I just like to hear about you. Tell me about yourself, or who you are as a cat artist, or where you live in the world, or even just how many cats you have, or what your cat's name is. So I just love to hear from you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.